We're doing a split course pipe with a Batten system. We'll do the following steps. So we're just using our pipe jack here. I'm going to go ahead and notch out my bottom panel to that pipe. Place this, see where it is. Anything behind the coursing, we're going to make a water stop. So just bend it over on itself so no water can get back underneath. And then depending on where the pipe lies, you might have to use another 2x2 just to brace the back of the pipe jack. Then we'll go ahead and take our caulking along the bottom and the edges here. Then we'll go ahead and place that pipe. And we can go ahead and fasten down into the caulking. You can see we've formed this pipe jack to fit down to the panel. Then we go ahead and bring our panel over the top, and we'll go ahead and fasten that as normal. Then we'll go ahead and bring our caulking. Go ahead and caulk around that pipe. And any exposed caulking, we'll go ahead and use that granule to doctor it up and give it a little extra UV protection and put that in my caulking.